YOLO is on the go again. This time, the beautiful city of Seattle, where industry meets culture. Come along as we explore. I will board the wonderful comforts of Delta Comfort. Good morning, Travel Fam. Today is Saturday. We got in last night. We're in Seattle and we're at the Sheraton. This is my number 2 destination. I can't wait to see the city. It's about 9 o'clock this morning. We're gonna go ahead and head out, take in some sights, get some breakfast, some coffee, of course, and we'll take you along with us. Pike Place Market has been in existence since 1907, and over 10 million people visit here every year. You will find a plethora of shops, including antiques, arts and crafts, jewelry, clothing, fresh produce, flowers, seafood, and over 80 restaurants and food stalls.
All right, what'd you do?
I'm getting the blackberry. You purchase, and then they give you a cup.
Man, say hi. There you go. Okay.
Oh, I like that. That's very tasty. You don't really taste the cider though. You taste more fruit. All right. So, what's your favorite?
Okay, my absolute favorite is the lamb roll. I love
lamb
the
ball.
lamb roll. I ate it for like a full 2 weeks straight, breakfast,
what's
lunch,
in
and
it?
dinner. It's got lamb, it's got some caramelized cabbage, and it's also got some Moroccan spices. I love Morocco because they have this like amazing use range of spices.
Specialty is these down here.
Oh my gosh, those ones are the paquetas. They are a flavor of love. They take 2 days to make. They are
2 whole days.
yeah.
Okay.
They are,
How
they
spicy are your samosas?
The samosas, oh, maybe like a 2 out of 10. Yeah.
A 2 out of 10. Okay, I'm gonna try the
For sure.
yes and the samosa.
The lentil samosas or the beef samosas? I have both.
Beef.
Beef?
We'll try the beef. Okay. So I'm gonna try the Moroccan ball first. Okay, that was mostly bread. Hold on. That's very tasty. It's got cabbage and beef on the inside, minced beef and cabbage. Very, very good. Very flavorful. I can definitely taste the Moroccan spice that she mentioned. Very good. This is the beef samosa, and let's try it out. It's not spicy. I think she said the spice was like a 2 out of 10. I would say there's no heat. I don't have any heat at all. But the flavor is good. Lots of onions and spices in here. That's good. The basic samosa. Okay, so now we're gonna try the pastries. I think she called them nanas. Not sure, but I'll put the name in the description.
10:18. Got plenty of time.
It's like a sweet custard. The caramelization on here is better than any creme brulee I've ever had. The crust is very flaky, and then cream center is to die for. It is absolutely delightful. Good. Highly recommend. Just wanted to come back and say the lamb balls were my favorite savory. This is my absolute favorite thing. It has all the seasonings and flavors that you would find like in a sweet potato pie, a southern sweet potato pie, but in custard. And the flakiness of the crust, chef's kiss. Fried rice. Now, if this was me digging in her plate, eating it, I would get the mean thank God. But Daddy can do whatever Daddy wants to do. Look at that little mischievous smile. Yes, I know. So this is the original Starbucks. This is the original Starbucks line. I like my Starbucks coffee, but not this thing. What do you recommend?
Starbucks.
Got none of that here, soccer.
Do you have anything similar? Does that give you a vein? Number 4, Douglas Lager.
How's your Douglas?
Very, very Dougie.
This is a Belgian blonde ale. I gotta try the chowder. I love New England clam chowder. This looks really good with potatoes, celery, and onions, and lots of tasty clam bits. All right, this is the clam. This is good.
Let's see that again in slow motion.
This is the scallop. That is a scallop. It's really good. It tastes very fresh. As you can see, these are small. They're very hefty sizes. This is the clam. This is the scallop. I think I paid about $10 for each plus tax and tip. Tell that they kind of use the same base for both, but the flavors are still very good. They look very similar, but very, very tasty. I enjoy them. We had to come to the tap room for seating. So there's no seating at Pike Place Chowder, none. And the line is always very long. And when you get there, there's extra seating across from it that sits right across. However, there's a line to get that seating. So the owner or manager advised us to come upstairs to the tap room where there's lots of seating. And if you're gonna have something to drink, you can get you a beer, and that's all you need to sit here. And then you can spread out and have your lunch, food, whatever, in peace.
Brown plastic bag. Yeah, exactly.
Our social butterfly.
Oh yeah.
Very steep. Be very careful going down. I personally enjoy a good boat tour in a harbor city or port. However, this one was not my favorite. The seating up top, which is most desirable, was very limited, and you can't hear the tour conductor on the bottom decks inside. The city views were absolutely spectacular and worth it, but I would recommend trying a different tour than using Argosy.
Pretty big. Got plenty of space.
No cocktail for me tonight. I'm going to have all the drinks on the menu. Some wine. They have a Chateau Saint Michelle Riesling, so I think that's what I'm gonna have tonight. I just want to show you guys what they've got as my family talks about me in the background.
Yes, we do. Yes, we do.
Hey, how you doing?
Absolutely steamy.
It's because it's cold here.
It's Dylan's Thai fried rice. This is my drunken noodles.
Is it better than